tornado emergency for northern Tallapoosa County. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for northern Tallapoosa County until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Nixburg, or near Equality, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for northern Tallapoosa County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Alexander City, Dadeville, Jackson's Gap, New Site, Hillabee Creek, Northern Lake Martin, Wind Creek State Park, Eastern Lake Martin, Western Lake Martin, Daviston, Horseshoe Bend National Military Park, Eagle Creek, and Horseshoe Bend. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Tallapoosa, Alabama,